What if I tell you you can live just 5 to 10 minutes away from Golf Course Road, Gurgaon's most premium address, and still enter at almost 30% lower cost? Shocking, hai na? Same ecosystem, same access, but almost 30% discount on your entry price. And this is not the real highlight. The real highlight is this project is part of the upcoming and the most in demand micro market of Gurgaon in today's time. So, what is this all about? Let's break it down. But before we get into the project, let's understand the developer behind it. The project is by Emaar, a name that's globally recognized in the real estate segment. They are the developer behind the iconic Burj Khalifa and have also delivered some of the most premium developments in Dubai. And in India, we have projects like Palm Springs on Golf Course Road, Palm Drive, Emerald Hills, Digi Homes, etc., and many more on Golf Course Extension Road. And with such a strong and credible background, what happens when one successful project builds so much hype that the next one carries equally high expectations? I am talking about Emaar Urban Oasis, and it came right after Emaar Digi Homes. The successful project of Emaar Digi Homes performed so well that the market already had trust. And because of that, the demand for Urban Oasis when it launched didn't just come, it exploded to a point that it was oversubscribed almost 10 times. The company had to bring in EY for the allotment system, and getting an allotment at that point in time was literally felt like winning a lottery or a jackpot. The investors were really too excited. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest value drivers in any of the project. It's the ecosystem around it. Because by the end of the day, it's not just an apartment जो आप purchase कर रहे हो, आप एक lifestyle में enter कर रहे हो. So just a few minutes drive away, you have M3M IFC, you have 65th Avenue, which has a mix of cafes, restaurants, hangout spots, salons, gyms, and even dedicated Pilates studios. And on top of that, you have AIPL Joy Street nearby, you have Worldmark, which has some premium restaurants, social hangout spots, and also movie theaters. So whether it's dining, fitness, or just some recreational activities, everything literally is just within your reach in a few minutes of your time. And when it comes to education, you have some well-known schools nearby like St. Xavier's, Scottish High, Presidium School, and the Heritage School Gurgaon. And from a wellness perspective, leading hospitals like Medanta, Paras Hospitals, CK Birla are in very close proximity. And cherry on top, Golf Course Road is just a 5 minutes drive, which opens another gate of very premium hangout spots for you. Here is the simplest way to understand this project. It's a pure location arbitrage. This project is on Golf Course Extension Road, Sector 62 Gurgaon, taking right from Golf Course Road and coming straight up. Right opposite this project, you have DLF Arbor, which is an ultra luxury premium residence. An internal road is also being developed, which will lead directly to Emaar Digi Homes and further up to DLF Arbor. Now, let's talk about the biggest gap in real estate, which is expectation versus reality. At launch, people believed this project would generate 1 to 1.5 crore premium. Right after allotment, from day 2 itself, offers started coming in. The response was immediate. From the very beginning, premiums of up to 30 lakhs were being asked, and some investors even chose to exit early. At the same time, many chose to stay back, expecting the premium to grow further over time. But for a while, things stayed stable. Premium at that time didn't grow the way people expected. But today, the story is starting to change. Because now, this micro market is getting its due attention and is rapidly seeing investment and growth all over. Multiple developers have now entered the same micro market, and importantly, at a much higher per square foot price, with average price of new launches being 25,000 per square foot. Construction is rapidly progressing, the surrounding ecosystem is developing, and even the outer road infrastructure has started taking shape. Most importantly, end users have started entering. Every project has a phase where the real story actually begins, and this one is right in that phase. And typically, real appreciation begins when end users enter. supported by infrastructure, construction progress, and a stronger surrounding market. Now, here is a slightly uncomfortable question to ask. Why is this project called an underdog project? Because a very similar pattern was seen with Emaar Digi Homes. Initially, the sales were slow, the inventory took time to move, but once the possession happened, people actually started living there. The premium significantly increased, the demand literally blasted. And a very similar thing is expected over here. In fact, the rentals even crossed 1 lakh per month in Emaar Digi Homes. And the expectation here is that a sort of similar trajectory could also play out in Emaar Urban Oasis. Plus, right now, you are entering at a stage wherein the premiums are controlled, the surroundings are strong, and the connectivity is literally a 10 on 10. Now, before you make any decision, let's understand what this project exactly has to offer. The project is spread across approximately 9.53 acres and has a total of 5 towers. First 4 towers offer you 4 BHK, 3 BHK and 3 BHK plus study units, while the 5th tower, जो कि सबसे लास्ट में लॉन्च हुआ था, offers you 2 BHK units with approximately apartment size is 1650 square feet. Now let's come to ground reality. Where does the construction in today's date stand at? So today, Tower 3 and 4 are almost at superstructure level because ये सबसे पहले launch हुए थे. Tower 1 and 2 are almost at 5th and 6th floor level, and the Tower 5, the 2 BHK tower, is still at a very nascent stage, basement level पर ही है अभी. So construction overall of the project is handled by Ahluwalia Contracts. Now the most practical question, what should you exactly do? So if you are a seller and you are in Tower 1 and 2, you have only paid 30%, so exiting is comparatively easier for you. If you are in Tower 3 and 4, you have paid more. The premiums at this point are limited, so waiting for you could make more sense. But if you are a buyer and you want some early possessions, Tower 3 and Tower 4 are better options for you. But if you want a lighter financial commitment, Tower 1 and Tower 2 would make more sense for you. So the right question is this a missed opportunity already or an aptly placed one for you? Well, after seeing this video, you already have the answers within yourself. I think this is exactly the right time to enter this project. It is really an underdog project and you are sitting at exactly the right time to make an entry even if you are an investor or an end user. Initially launch के time पे हमने project नहीं खरीदा. We have already missed the train. But I think the wait has already sort of started to pay you out because the right time to enter the project is right now because अभी उतना premium इस project में आया नहीं है. जो ये गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड की मार्केट है, इधर डेवलपर्स ने अभी एंटर करना स्टार्ट किया है. इसी पॉकेट में और भी बहुत ज़्यादा डेवलपमेंट एक हायर प्राइस पर आ रही हैं. गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड ऑलरेडी बहुत एक डेवलप्ड मार्केट है जहाँ पर लोग रहते हैं, कनेक्टिविटी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. अगर प्रीमियम अब तक आया नहीं है इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो आएगा भी नहीं, क्योंकि गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड पर प्राइसेस तो बढ़ने ही हैं. जिस तरीके की यहाँ पर डेवलपमेंट हो रही है, डेवलपर्स एंटर करे जा रहे हैं, कमर्शियल स्पॉट्स बनते, पीपल आर ऑलरेडी वांटिंग टू लिव एट दिस एरिया. सो अगर इस प्राइस पॉइंट में अगर आपको कोई एक इमार जैसे ब्रांड का अपार्टमेंट मिलता है एज एन एंड यूजर, आई थिंक दिस इज एग्जैक्टली द राइट टाइम बिकॉज थिंग्स आर सॉर्ट ऑफ बैलेंस्ड फॉर यू. प्रीमियम अभी कंट्रोल्ड है, उतना प्रीमियम अभी मिला नहीं है लोगों को और आपको एंट्री करनी है. अल्टीमेटली यू वांट टू लिव देयर, इकोसिस्टम इज सपोर्टिंग यू, प्राइस पॉइंट इज सपोर्टिंग यू, सो यू शुड डेफिनेटली कंसिडर दिस एज अ प्रोजेक्ट टू लिव इन. अगर अब आप एक बायर हैं जो नियर टर्म में गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड पर शिफ्ट होना चाहते हैं तो इस प्रोजेक्ट का पोजेशन 2028 में मिल जाएगा. एंड वी हैव मल्टीपल यूनिट्स अवेलेबल 3 and 4 BHK सेगमेंट में, जो पूल फेसिंग भी हैं. वी हैव ऑल्सो रोड फेसिंग एंड ग्रीन एरिया फेसिंग अपार्टमेंट्स. You can reach out to us. Price point starts somewhere from 3.5 crore and goes up to 4 BHK le 5.5 crore. Also, if you are a seller who is looking to exit the project, you can drop your comments or reach out to us on the number provided and our team will get in touch with you. Also, you would want to know कि entry आपकी exactly आज कैसी लगती है. So in resale, you will find all these options at 20 lakh, 30 lakh, up to maximum 50 lakh premium, depending on the tower and the location unit that you are choosing. Now here is when it gets interesting. Towers के बीच का difference. Tower 3 and 4, more construction is done as I already mentioned. So higher payment is already made. For Tower 1 and 2, only around 30% payment is done. So, which makes it obviously lighter as a financial commitment for you.